Hey everyone, my name is Catherine Lagos, B.Ed student. This video is for our subject GED 6. And I am here today to talk about the impact of economic, political, and cultural manifestation and globalization to me, to my family, and to our community. So let's start! Generally speaking, when it comes to political, economical, and cultural, the way how government handles the situation, and there's a lot of impact. Talking about impact in my family, I don't see such effect, but seeing other families who is suffering, I can tell that it has a big impact, especially now that we are facing global pandemic because of the new coronavirus diseases and typhoons that enters our country. Religiously, a lot of people in Vatican or churches are contradicting to what kind of politics do we have. There are lots of help that is coming to our country and from other country. There are lots of help that many people are giving to these fellows. These were corrupt people in there instead of giving help to those people in needs. They are rather keep it in their pocket. Technologically, if there are disaster, there is social media enters some people with a good heart gathered help from social media like posting to one page to another, but there are also abusive people who uses the situation to scam people like pretending gathering help, but the fact is it's just their scheme to earn money. Meanwhile, my manifestation about what's going on to our countrysides, different reactions. Start with economy of our country. I am not fond or happy about what happened before, during and after the pandemic. The way the government handled it was so not practical, but of course our leader doesn't have any choice. Borrowing money from World Bank the way he can still support his people during the crisis, but he didn't check what is the outcome of his decision. Say the benefits, let's us discuss what happened to giving out benefits like purpose and subs, etc. Is he given sure that all eligible or qualified families receive those money? No, because I myself saw and heard that complaints of the people who didn't receive it but most qualified for it. It reaches two waves on the first wave. A lot of people complain that there's a lot of people receive the first track, but those people are rich, in the middle class, and sad part was the people or the family who really needs the money didn't receive even a cent from it. The second track, a lot of people from first batch expect and wishes that they are included since the government advised that it was a review and even said that what happened in first track won't happen on the second one, but it gets more worse. I am glad that the religious branch like churches or other group of people from different religions perform and made their own way to help people, especially those who are really in needs. Looking in the situation of our country, it just saddened me because how the government look it is not equal. Now, if we are looking at our very own country, if I'm going to give you my manifestations, I'm not happy with how it goes. A lot of people in our country suffers because of natural disasters and not being given what help they deserve. What only we can do is giving them to the support of morality and equality so they won't lose their hope. And that's all. Thank you.